Hey guys, there's a new update in Gorilla Tag, so I'm gonna be checking it out. So let's read this first. Become shark. Dive into caves with our exciting new shark cosmetics. Shark cosmetics.
Heck yeah.
Watch out. You are not alone in the water. Check out the Splash and Dash pack. Monkey alert, ambush, the newest game mode is here. Will you escape the chase or be caught unawares? Good luck. So apparently this is the new game mode right here. Ambush. It says new. Oh, hunt is limited time as well.
Yeah, they're getting rid of it.
Oh, really? Okay, first I want to see this thing in canyons. I've been eyeing this thing up. Fireflies?
Cool canyons. They added trampolines back.
Oh. The tents?
Yeah, get in the tent. Get in the tent. Get in the tent. Get in the tent. Nobody's watching this, baby girl.
Okay, guys, we're gonna check out the cosmetics now. First of all, I need to see. Okay, attic looks like it's still up there, but it is blocked off, guys.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, it is blocked off. Everyone loved it while I was there, but anyways.
Except for Fork Red.
Yeah. Okay. Daily shirt is still gone. The Shiny Rock deal is still here. Ooh, and there's a new pack. Splash and Dash, a lifeguard, and 10,000 Shiny Rocks. Not bad. Yo! A new drone?
Yeah. Oh my god.
What? What?
Free
Oh,
badge.
I'm buying that free badge. I'm adding everything. Yo, they finally made this thing in the corner so cheap. It used to be like 4,500. They made it cheaper. I'm going to keep adding things until stuff starts to go away.
Oh, I might not be able to play on Monday.
Okay. Yo, wait, new balloon? No balloon? Aw, no balloon. Okay, Metro's still here. That's cool.
Hey, Misty, over here. Get over here.
Nothing on second floor. It's a shark. Wait, what does this pack look like?
Hang on. Oh my god,
Whoa.
the shark's mouth's open. Window. The shark's... Watch.
That's so cool. This one's pretty cool.
Here, I'm gonna go.
Oh, this is the balloon.
Yeah. What?
Whoa, why does it bounce so much? Boing! It bounces so fast.
Get that.
Of course, I keep missing.
2,700. Okay, I'll save up.
Yo, that's so cool. What is this? Whoa, look at it. It has like a little effect. Oh!
Yeah,
Oh, wait, whenever you talk, look, whenever you talk, it gets bigger. I'm gonna scream, ready? When you scream, it gets a full pufferfish. That's so cool!
Hey, Gale, hit him with the scream.
Wait, look, the crab moves as well. Look at the crab. Like, it's like this.
Hold up. Do it again. Hey, Gale, hit him with the scream.
No, you gotta scream louder.
I can't.
Is this a surfboard? Oh no, it's one of those lifeguard things on your back, and then it's like, uh-oh, they're drowning. Later, actually. I don't have it in my cart. Okay.
Alright.
Let's go into caves now. This shark is here.
Alright.
So that's pretty cool.
I need to show you Sam. Come on.
Let's go.
Whee!
That lag was crazy there. Yo, more fireflies. That's cool. Whoa! Guys, look at the crystal. Look at that. That's cool. Whoa! Another shark here. I just get eaten by
Oh
it.
my god, Matt!
That's really cool. Okay, let's... Yo, why does Matt look like this? He has like a life jacket. That's cool. Go free, Matt. Okay. Do we go in the water?
No, I'm looking for. There he is. Come here.
Yo, a shark?
It's Sam.
You can ride it?
Yeah. Good ride, Sam. That's awesome.
Come here, Sam. No. No, go. Come here. No. Yo, this is sick. Another shark right there.
Yeah,
This is so
everything
cool.
is flooded.
Wow.
Yeah.
Literally everything is just water now.
Yeah. Like even if you come up here.
Oh wait, there's fish food here. I wonder if Sam will eat it.
Hang on, where?
No, Sam's not eating it. Eat, Sam.
I'm gonna feed it to him.
Eat.
Hey, Sam! Sam! Don't eat me! Sam? Good Sam. Alright.
Okay, should we check out the new game mode now? Let's do it.
Let's go!
Wait. Yo! They added like they added a computer here
Let's go!
and the cosmetics and the game changers. Okay, let's put it on the new game mode.
Yep, already done. Same code.
Yo,
Bar?
yo, we gotta do group join because it's not working for the privates.
Alright, let me go change it to ambush.
Yes. Okay, go into group join, and I will do it. I will click enter, okay? Me will click enter. Just
Deal.
stay on the chair, ready? Meet you there. Yo, yo.
Whoa, whoa!
Yo, come here.
Whoa! Take off your cosmetics! Take off your cosmetics!
Okay.
Take off your...
Yo, where did you go?
Hey, get that Christmas! Get him! Shark! What? Get him, baby shark! I can't even see you. Dude, okay, that is not fair. Dang it. Okay, that's just not fair. Dude. Everybody, be careful with my name. That's not fair, dude.
Yo, where's the leaderboard at?
Guys, everybody can get on it. I don't even care.
Guys, where's the leaderboard?
Yeah!
Oh, there's the leaderboard.
My favorite group!
Yo, he's gone. Anyway. Okay, let's go and try to play this, because I don't know how to play this. Yo,
Alright, this is one positive thing, okay?
bro, where'd... Gotta find the hider, guys. Yo, who wants to tag me? I don't know what this game mode is. Who wants to tag me? I don't know what this game mode is. Oh, it's literally hide and seek.
Oh my god, we're all drowning.
Okay. Anyways, if you guys like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe, please. And thank you for watching.
Wait,
Bye.
hold on.